set to be there for each category when you call it up. So that'll be immediately after the community bingo.
Is this one working too? Yeah, some plans. The camera. So it's just 360.
What's happening here?
Well, you can look around.
These are Polytec, and they do our mapping, and they have VR of Molanosa, places in Molanosa. What'd you see, Riri? A lake? Oh, okay. Uh-huh. There's a lake up there?
And I'm under...
Up in the sky?
No, I'm not outside.
Oh, okay.
I'm under roof. And I think the raspberry. I see red things and I see people. I see like 3 people. Then I see some people. One person. Then a big chair.
Okay, there's a Jeep by the garbage truck that needs to be moved. 533
Yeah, we have
And I
one.
think you are right
TBU.
there.
You need to move your vehicle right away. You're in the way of the garbage truck.
I'm half
Now you have
outside.
to draw.
Where are you?
Right in front of you. Reach your arm out. See?
Okay, this is for the C92 green tickets. Green tickets. Those of you who got green tickets,
So there's not.
the following numbers are 371 5016
Oh,
5016.
yeah.
And I see some more purple flowers around me. And more tall
Next
grass
number
over there.
is
And just a bunch of trees over
5097.
here.
5097. These are the green tickets.
Underneath the thing, what is that? The camera?
Yeah,
And
there's
they
the
filled out
camera.
a
You're on top of
survey
it.
from the prevention table. No, C92. 5047. Those of you who visit C92, these are the winners.
feeling nothing.
That's me.
5047.
But I can't feel, I don't
More.
You can see me?
4997.
Okay, when you're done, somebody else can take a turn.
4997. These are the green tickets.
I'm climbing.
5049. 5049. And you can claim your prizes. Oh,
It's
one
so
more.
huge.
5084. 5084. Claim your prize at the C92 tech to the side, to the right side of the stage.
Yeah?
Green tickets.
Oh, it probably is.
It does.
It probably is.
Oh,
It is still quite a healthy line for bingo cards.
Remember, stay in your spots. Don't walk.
it's
We will wait for the signal.
Should put some sort of dresser
I'm bigger than this camera. How come you can't walk?
Try it out? No. Oh,
You should really try it. What's that? What's that? Who's touching me? Wait, touching me. Wait. Do you have 3 persons? Yeah. I have 1 person over there. Over there. Oh. That's a guy. No? There's like 2 of them. Oh, look whose hands are those? Whose hands are those?
so I guess on the
There's a ghost.
VR, they're
There's
seeing
right there.
3D6 site.
Yeah. This is the VR of a KT3 that KT6A got signed.
Yeah.
The rock over there, and that's why we have captured, and we do have a plan to go over there again so that we can capture it through drone. This time we did it like on a tripod based camera, but this time we want to capture it using our drone.
What's yours?
So hopefully that will be a new experience.
Where did
Yeah.
the hand go? What's the other hand? What's the other one? Is there only this one? Wait. Okay,
They just bring it over.
I can't see your hand. Oh, yours is right here. Yeah, but I see one. see people actually want to surf.
Okay, let somebody else do it now.
Take it off. Bye, Fred. Wait. High five. I'm ready. Wait, I see your hand. Sorry.
Come check it out.
That was fun. Oh my god.
You okay?
Yeah, making Spielberg.
Just watching little ones.
Scared me. How you're getting I can talk to you.
Yeah.
3 people. I'll see your hand, Mom.
I already mentioned this.
See your hand.
Yeah, sure. You want to try the drone?
Yeah. Does that work?
Yeah.
Where is it at?
Are you up there?
Okay, I don't see your hand.
Never?
That's your phone.
Last time I went
Trees.
bingo, I won twice and I didn't know. My cousin
No, I
got
don't
a
see
bingo,
that.
yell bingo, and I got
I'm
win
carrying
twice.
it.
You could have missed two.
I could have missed two, yeah. All right, I'll see you.
You can put it back on, yeah?
Why
Alright,
am I
let's turn
floating?
around. 1 360. There you go. Keep going, keep turning, keep turning.
Right there.
Perfect. Nice. Alright.
I feel so scared when I look down. That's so fun.
Oh, good. Glad you liked it.
What do you see?
Rock right there.
Uh-huh.
Something down there. I feel something down there.
Huh.
I see a rock. Oh, it's weird.
Birds.
I see water over there. Can you see that? Can you see that? Well, you do have to.
There's birds over there.
Where?
And
No, 2, 1.
All right, looks like our lineup for bingo cards is over.